National Hardware Show in Las Vegas, and I have Mark with the Steadyrack here. And Mark, you've got a really clever idea how to store bicycles. You got to show this to us.
Thanks. So Steadyrack is designed to give you maximum storage capacity by having a pivoting bike rack. And the other really great function is it's not a hook. So it actually allows your bike to rest on the tray, which in turn means we're not going to damage the rim. But it also means that you can roll the bike in and out of the rack. You don't have to lift the bike to park the bike or hang the bike. So a really simple system that the whole family can put their bike away and be hung on the wall.
That is really cool and really slick. And for those of us who spend a lot of money on a bicycle, we don't like them up on the hooks where they could cause problems to our tires.
That's right.
Mark, to find out more information or to purchase one of these, where can you go?
So you can go to steadyrack.com, you can go to Amazon, you can go to Home Depot, you can go to walmart.com. Lots of places to pick it up.
That is fantastic. And we'll put the link below for you to check it out.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.